Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. I love during summer to go on a bike trip or car trip, road trip, or just a long walk, and then just have a nice picnic basket with me with some potato salad or pasta salad or some cold tart or pie or just anything food. Yeah, I just love eating outside when it is nice weather. So today I have a delicious potato salad for you guys. It is also the perfect side dish for some grilled meat or some grilled sausages. It's just yummy. So let's get started. My oven is already at 180 degrees C convection oven or at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. In a bag I have some new potatoes just rinsed in some cold water and cut in half, and some in smaller bits because some of the potatoes were quite big. Then add in some oil, salt and pepper and give the bag a good shake. Add all the potatoes on the baking sheet and then bake this baking sheet in the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes until the potatoes have a nice golden color. After that, just let the potatoes cool down for about 30 minutes because this is going to be a cold potato salad, not a warm potato salad. In a bowl I already have lots of sour cream and some mayonnaise. Then I'm going to add in some chopped onion and some chopped radishes. Then in with some chopped cucumber. And some ham cubes. In with some fresh and dried dill. You can also just use dried or only use fresh, it is up to you. Then in with some salt and pepper and give it a stir. Lovely in with all my potatoes, stirred well, and then this salad was ready to be served, and it can easily be kept in the fridge in an airtight container for 2 to 3 days. I hope you guys enjoy this quick, easy potato salad. Ingredients down below. I'll